Hey guys, so I crashed my drone. This is a DJI MAVIC Air. As you guys could see, one propeller is chopped off and the other one as well. It flew straight into this metal fence right over here at about 10-15 miles an hour. So I'm gonna do a demo and see if it actually could lift off and fly with broken propellers. So let's give it a shot. It says ready to go, so let's find out.
Okay.
Alright
Okay.
guys, so I'm gonna slide to take off and let's see if the DJI MAVIC...
Shit! It actually flies. What the f?
Guys, so it's doing weird stuff, guys, and this... So now it doesn't want to fly, but it did fly.
Yeah.
So as you guys could see, it actually is lifting out by itself. I'm not even touching it.
So basically it's struggling, right?
Yes, it's struggling, but it's keeping it there. So it's trying to, as you guys could see. So it's actually floating right there, but it's struggling, but it does take off. So as you guys could see this, let me land it quickly. Alright guys, so as you could see, one more time. It lifted off the first time with a broken and damaged propeller. Two. So, as you guys could see, it lifted off with two damaged propellers. And it went straight on at the spans, like this, and the arm bent. So it prevented the damage to the front frame. Everything else is okay. So I'm really impressed by the damage this MAVIC Air could sustain, because that was a hard crash. Alright guys, so we changed the propellers. As you guys could see, two brand new propellers. And it didn't even ask me to calibrate anything, so I'm just gonna lift off and see how it's working. So let's see how the camera functions. It says low battery warning, that's fine. Camera functions perfect. Let's go for a little flight test. Guys, this is insane. I don't know if you got, I wish I would be recording the crash. There you guys go. So let me show you this. It's a metal fence and I was going in a sport mode. I don't know, about honestly like 15-20 miles headed from that direction straight into this, and it survived. I'm speechless. So thank you guys for tuning in. Subscribe, like. I'm bringing you hopefully no more drone crashes, but if it happens, you'll be first to know. Thank you. See you guys. There you go. I made a video out of a fucking